Do you know how much time you can save in your daily work thanks to artificial intelligence? In this video, we will show you a speed comparison between manual processes and processes automated with AI using Freshservice, an intelligent IT service management solution. This way, you will be able to know how much time you can save on your tasks. To explain this very simply, let's do the following exercise. Let's see how long it takes on average for an agent to respond to a ticket completely manually compared to how long it takes using the AI response generator. Okay, so we're looking at a ticket that we have from this customer saying that they can't access their company's internal network, which can be a recurring situation. Let's set the counter right now. The manual way to answer this ticket could be by greeting the customer. Hi, Ricardo. Given what you're telling me, it is likely that you have DNS loaded incorrectly. Please try the following. At this point, it usually consists of attaching the necessary documentation and explaining the step-by-step. It may be necessary to take some screenshots to explain to the customer what they should do and what they should check on their end. This can take us a few seconds. Once our response is ready, we send it, and this is the time it has taken us. Now that we have seen how long on average it can take us to give a response to a ticket like this, we are now going to see the same process, but this time we will have the support of AI. Okay, so we have the exact same ticket, and what we need to do is simply click on the reply button, and we will find this option that says Generate Response. The AI automatically shows us the response generated for this ticket, and now we just need to review it and customize it as we want. And now, almost like magic, we have a response ready for our customers with all the information they need in just a few seconds. The main advantage of artificial intelligence in Freshservice is that it compares tickets that have been previously created and put them together in a knowledge base to help us predict these responses. The software learns from those tickets, and that is how it can help us respond to our customers' requests easier and faster. But wait, there's more. The AI has a very useful feature called the Writing Assistant, which allows you to take this automatically generated response and improve the tone by making it more professional, informal, or a little more friendly. Plus, it also offers you the ability to change the language and offer a better level of personalization. Now that we have the results, you can see that with AI, you save more than 60% of your time in responding to a ticket without sacrificing the personalization of excellent customer service. In a world where every minute counts, why continue wasting time on manual tasks? You can transform the way you work today. Join the new era of IT service management with Freshservice and let AI do the heavy work.